How to add slider in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to easily add a slider into your website. So what you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the top left. You have the add elements option over here. So simply select this option or this feature. And over here, look for our input section over here on the main menu or main options that we have. And then after this, you will be able to have this preview over here on the right side. Just simply scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see here we have our different sliders. So we have price sliders, duration, distance, stuff like that. So we have three different designs over here. So simply select the specific design that you like the most. And so we have it over here now on our website. So let me put it here. You can modify the type of information that is being shown. As you can see, you could modify the field title over here. If it's not for price, you could change that. You could also change it to continuous if you want. And you have your values over here, as you can see. After that, simply close this and then you will be able to have your slider on your page. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.